Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to use Claude AI to write a book. Want to write a book using Claude AI? The first step is to clearly define your story before you start writing. Giving Claude details like the genre, whether it's fantasy, romance, horror, or sci-fi, your target audience, writing style, tone, expected length, and main characters. For example, you can prompt it with something like, help me write a 60,000 word sci-fi novel with a dark atmosphere and cinematic dialogue. The more specific you are, the better the output will be. Instead of generating the entire book at once, work chapter by chapter. Start by asking for chapter 1, then review and refine it before moving on to the next chapter, which helps maintain quality and consistency. It's also important to keep track of key story details like characters, timelines, locations, and major plot points in a separate document, since long conversations can lose important context over time. You can then paste those details back into the chat when needed. Finally, use Cloud not just for drafting, but also for improving your writing, since it's especially strong at rewriting dialogue, enhancing pacing, and making sense or scenes more emotional and engaging. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.